Hey, good morning. Day 2 Power Tour 2023. We're cruising along. We're actually, it's early in the morning. We just left Atlanta, Georgia. We're heading to Columbia, South Carolina. And the temp is great. Can you get a shot of the temp gauge there? I think we got that resolved. But now, take a shot down that paper towel, Gabriel. Looks like we got some antifreeze leaking somewhere from the heater core. So if it's not one thing, it's another. But we'll try to get some videos along the way. I think we're a little behind the group. We're either a little behind or a little ahead of them. We didn't meet up where they met up because we would have been backtracking 15-20 miles from our hotel. So anyway, we'll keep you posted throughout the day. We just stopped. It's not really overheating. We just took the opportunity to stop. I want to show you this Mustang here. This is awesome. He's got an overheating issue as well. Let everybody sign his trunk, man. Look at that right there. Woo! Anyway, it's all good. Radiator back in. Look at this Buick. Yeah, we're gonna head out. Look at this. You say you pulled this out of a barn, right? After 20 years?
Yes, sir.
Is it? And that's OEM paint?
That's a respray.
Yeah, respray.
As far as I know, original interior,
Yeah.
but the seats have been redone.
Beautiful car. Beautiful, beautiful car. Good deal. I think we're gonna, traffic was held up. There you go. There's a Hearst special. Yeah, that's a good looking car too. So anyway, I think we're gonna get back on the road. Traffic's been pretty backed up, but it seems to be flowing now, so we may give it a whirl. Then with the cop car. Nice looking. All right, y'all, we're back on the road. All right, folks, we're still, heck, we're 40 miles outside of Augusta, then got another hour to Columbia. It probably took us about, we went on the tour route, it probably took us about, what, Gabriel, 3 hours to go 60 miles? Road construction, everybody overheating. So we popped onto Interstate 20 here. We're in a little itty-bitty caravan here. There's 3 or 4 cars in front of us. And temp, we're running, get a shot of that temp, Gabriel. We're running 65, 70, and we're holding at 180. So we'll get back on here and give you an update when we get into Columbia. Get a shot up front. What is that from? Nova?
I don't know. You can't see it on the camera.
Looks like there's an old Impala way up front there. Nova's right in front of it, just pulled out in front of that truck. Woo! Look at that crane. Yabba dabba doo. Alright, we'll talk to y'all when we get to the State Fairground in Columbia, South Carolina. Alright folks, just keeping you updated. We're 7 miles away from the South Carolina State Fairground, and our battery's not charging. And we got 2 hours. We're in jeopardy of missing our long haul punch. So we'll keep you posted. Okay, folks, we are, like I said, 7 miles away from the South Carolina State Fairground. We gotta get our card punched. We got a guy coming to give us a ride that we met on the road, Michael from Alabama. So thank you, Michael. And show you, we got the alternator pulled out. We got to go try to find one. So more to follow. We'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching. Okay, we're good. There is not going to be much video here today because it's almost 5:30 at the South Carolina State Fairground. But you can let me give you a view right here. We still got to get back and work on the vehicle some more. So we're going to be detained. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make today and tomorrow, because we had another breakdown. Ooh, look at that cherry. We're gonna make today and tomorrow, day 2 and day 3, one video tomorrow night. So sorry for the delay, but it's got to happen. Y'all take care. We'll get you an update on the Chrysler here. 90% sure it's the alternator. We're working on it right now. I'll get you a video later. Okay folks, Rockingham Speedway. It is about midnight on Tuesday night. We actually we actually had to do a lot of work again today, but we believe we got it resolved. I just want to do a quick video to close out this day. If I can get the flashlight to work. There we go. Had to put a new alternator in. Thought that was the problem. We had it tested at O'Reilly's. It tested bad 2 times. Thought it was bad. Put it in. Still wasn't charging. Realized that we didn't have good volts coming out of the relay. So I put the old relay back in, and that resolved it. Then we drove. I don't even know if you guys can see me. Then we drove 110 miles to Rockingham Speedway. Now it's midnight. We got to go find something to eat and find a hotel. Maybe Walmart parking lot hotel. Anyway, gosh, man, it's been nothing but work on this car and trouble. So far, we feel like it's been worth it. We're having a decent time, but we want to have some fun. And that's the plan here tomorrow at Rockingham. That's why we drove here tonight. We want to be here, and we want to have some fun tomorrow. So we'll see y'all in the morning. All right, good morning, folks. We are in Rockingham, North Carolina. I think I did a dark video last night. It was a disaster yesterday, but we're here. We're only about 5 miles from the track. We stopped to fuel up and get some coffee. And hey, look at this charger over here. There's a charger over there. Hey. Good looking charger. And we got our license plate on. We got this thing running. We're gonna have to go over everything today. Somebody's wanting to get gas, so I gotta go. There's our decal. We're good. See y'all at track. All right, we're in line. We're in line at Rockingham Motor Speedway. You can see, let me give you a view out here. Try to give you a 360 view. Actually, that was a 180 view, so not a 360. So anyway, we're in line here. We're holding a little over 200. You know, we shotgunned out here and got it warmed up, and the fans are on, so I think we're okay. It's still a little high. We need a new radiator. That's all there is to it. Anyway, we'll get with you when we get in here. All right, looks like we are not going to make it into the track. Everything's full inside, so you kind of little slap in the face, kind of reduced the spectator parking out here. So but there's a lot more cars coming in, so this is going to fill up. So we'll get inside and see what's going on. Okay, we are in Rockingham Speedway. This place is just absolutely packed with cars. I'm just going to do a little video shooting while we walk and hope the wind's not too bad. Let's go over this way. I mean, it's just car after car. I mean, the Roadmaster station wagon, Camaro. Don't even know what this is. Isn't that a Cooper? Yeah.
This is the Mini Cooper, yeah.
Yeah. Give everybody a view here. Oh, there's the VW. Gotta have a VW. VW, Mustang, Corvette, Firebird, big white truck. that a Durango?
Yeah, that's a Durango from like 20
yeah.
or something.
It's an Impala. Yeah. Another Camaro. Oh, Monte Carlo. Beauty. Monte Carlo. That's a sexy car. Chevelle. Here's another Corvair. See the air induction he's got on the back? Okay, we're gonna go find these where they're doing the track race. We'll be back. Alright folks, I know it's kind of windy and loud out here, but I just wanted you to see the magnitude of what's going on here. We've got the Speedway over there. We've been in there with all those cars. We're parked out here, cut us off, and there are still cars coming in, to include the pink Mustang over there. And there are still cars coming in down there. There it is, thousands upon thousands upon thousands of cars. So, anyway, there you go. Okay, quick update on what we're doing here. We're having a little bit of an issue with the carburetor idling back down. You gotta hit the gas, and we had this bracket over here because I had this off when I was working on the thermostat housing down here. What I discovered is this is supposed to be here, so we're putting that back in. Also, the temporary alternator that has one belt, we don't need both belts because we're not running the AC. That'll get us till we get home. I have another one of these with the dual pulley at home. Also over here, what I showed you last night, you can see a little better here. We put the old regulator back in. So I'm gonna hand this off to Gabriel and let him do that. You can see there's still tons of people here. It's actually pretty nice. It started sprinkling a little bit. Look at that awesome car, man. Just awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So anyway, we're gonna go back inside for a while, and we'll get some more shots inside for y'all. All right, folks, DD Speed Shop. Here it is. We are at Rockingham Motor Speedway, and I tell you what, it's all true. And I asked them permission to video their vehicle, but all the spare parts in the back. You got the seat coolers, just totally awesome. So they've come all the way from Canada, Manitoba, and they're currently at Rockingham in North Carolina, and this is awesome. And then you saw the video on the 57 Chevy, that's right there. I still have to watch those videos. I'm a little behind on videos. Then you have Thunderhead 289 intake, and I didn't realize I thought it was just off the carburetor to the scoop, but if you look real close, you see the carburetor. He actually has that carburetor lifted up. Pretty impressive. Pretty impressive. That thing is a stack and a half. So, okay, folks, somebody just started a car. Later. All right, for those of you that have never ever been walked on a speedway, here you go. We are walking on the Rockingham Speedway. You can see the curve, you can see the steep bank. And all right, Gabriel, here's the deal. You start running, I'm gonna go to the other side and I'm gonna time you.
No.
Okay, no, that's a no. So that's a no. No, K-N-O-W. Anyway, folks, we're probably gonna wrap up today. It's been a good day. We've actually had the ability to have some fun. You can see everything that's going on behind me. Cars still everywhere. Roadkill had his Dodge out here and been running it around. I missed that. I didn't get to film it, but it's still a busy day out here. It's about 5 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. It's wrapping up at 6. Did see DD Speed Shop again, Thunderhead 289. I saw the Craig 99 yellow Ford. You can see it way over there by the Motor Trend sign. Haven't seen Vice Grip Garage though. We're gonna have to track him down tomorrow in Concord. All right, take care. I'm gonna end this video here. Let me get this back around on me. I'm gonna end this video here. I'm gonna put out yesterday's fiasco, disaster, and today, and give you a little content. Take care. Thanks for watching. Hey, please subscribe. We have to up our game, and the only way I'm going to be able to do that is for you to subscribe. And we have to really up our game after being here. Take care. Thanks for watching. Be blessed. Hey, quick screenshot here at the hotel. This is what it's about right here. Sharing tools and jacks and knowledge and things of that nature. So enjoy it.